You guys ready for my most adventurous episode yet? In just a little bit, I'm gonna be skydiving into this winery. So y'all know that I am terrified of heights, and there are two ways that I said I'd ever try skydiving. If it's somewhere unique or somewhere really beautiful. Well, this is both, so I couldn't say no. I'm here in Lake Chelan at Tsillan Cellars, and this is where we're ending. I'm gonna land right here, like this. I'm gonna land in a glass of wine, in a vat of grapes. How you doing? It's starting to hit me now. My fingers are completely numb, and I think it's like literally out of fear because it's not that cold. Too late now. I regret everything. It's like a different level of fear. Like normally I'm like shaky and like really feel scared. I don't feel that way, but I think my body is reacting like I'm scared. It's being weird. It's like, please don't jump out of a plane. Take a deep breath, trust God, and go. I can't. Feeling good? Feeling something. Okay. I'm gonna switch to luxury travel. I need to stop doing this stuff. First, we met up with Skydive Chelan owner Todd, who told us that today we would be jumping with him and his wife, Sonia. I do feel better that he said he's done 11,000 jumps and said, we really want you to skydive into a winery. I literally emailed right back and I was like, no thank you, I'm afraid of heights, that is too much. And Kristen was like, you know, I've never asked you for anything and I really want to do this. So I was like, oh crap. Is there anywhere else that they can skydive into a winery?
As far as I know, we're the only skydiving center in the nation that allows regular jumps into a winery.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Kind of the brain shuts off the first couple seconds. So they don't really recall leaving the plane.
Yeah, I'm just gonna black out.
So don't be upset with yourself if you don't recall leaving it. It's the body doesn't accept, and the mind doesn't accept what you just did to it.
The mind doesn't accept what you did. I'll pass out like those videos of people on roller coasters where it's just like a body just floating. Hi, I'm Monica.
Monica?
Nice to meet you. Oh no. What does that mean? You don't need me goodbye?
No. We always welcome
oh, no, that's
with
great.
a hug.
Once we exit the aircraft, we're going to want you to go in what's called an arch body position. I'm going to take you out to the plane later and show you how we're going to get out. But you'll be holding on to your harness. As soon as we leave the plane, I want you to throw your hips forward, like this, almost like you're making a back bend, with both legs kind of bent at 90 degrees.
Okay.
The reason why we go in this arch position is because when we leave the plane, we might be tumbling, we might be stuck on our back or on our side. If both you and your instructor throw your waist forward, since most of our weight is in our midsection, our organs and everything, it creates ballast and makes us fall belly to earth. On average, about 120. It all has to do with surface area and weight. But now you have two people together, so surface area of one person, but body weight of two, plus a 50-pound pack on our back. That terminal velocity would be more like 180 miles an hour. All right, so we're gonna fall for a mile. All right, so we're going up 2 miles, we're gonna free fall for a mile, be on a parachute for a mile. Tell me what you want.
Just to get down safely.
Okay. You might change your mind once you're up to like, oh, give me a spin.
Yeah, okay.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Maybe I'll accidentally give you a spin.
Oh gosh.
Accidentally. All right, so only 3 things we want you to remember. Number 1 is you two have to have a good time. All right. That's what you're here for. 2 is the arch, which we're going to practice here.
Okay.
And 3 is feet up for landing. And that's all you really need to remember. Have fun, arch, feet up for landing. That's it.
So there's, as long as we put our hips forward, there's no chance we're going to like tumble.
No guarantees.
You know how to correct that to get the chute open if that happens.
No guarantees.
So I start getting nervous.
Me too.
No.
Making up stuff all day long.
so mean.
Have you ever taken off in a small plane?
No, I'm scared
Well,
of the
don't worry
plane,
about
too.
it. You're not going to land in it either.
This guy.
This guy's got you. I'm so not ready.
Can I read something on the back real quick?
Yeah.
What does that say?
Say
Stop for a
danger,
second.
Danger, don't do it.
Peligro, gafar.
Don't do it.
Like do the whole land is if I pee my pants, I've got 4 layers on.
Good, 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 good. I think I did it right.
This is the tiniest plane.
I'm gonna have you put your right foot out,
What happens if I trip and just fall out?
and then we started skydiving.
I don't think I can physically get my legs to do that.
Yes, you will. You have to fight all human instinct to get your feet out here. This is gonna be the hardest part. Hips forward in a big arch. When you feel tapped on your shoulder, that's what you want to
Do I have to let go and bring my arms up?
do. Looks better on the video. Step.
And I'll be like,
We're grabbing the pilot. In 11,000 jumps, I've used the reserve 7 times.
okay. What in the world are we doing?
Having fun.
You guys all set?
Sure.
Nope.
can't believe it. Did that! Okay. Oh my God.
Congratulations!
Oh, girl! Yeah! Look at Monica. Oh my
Let me
God,
get you on
that was amazing! Thanks for watching. See you next time. Holy cow, that was amazing. Drink. We survived. Were you crying?
Tears of joy.
Tears of joy. Holy cow.
Wind tears.
Woo!
Well, thanks for jumping with
Thanks
me.
for keeping me alive.
My pleasure. I'm gonna lose
Holy
these legs just a
cow.
bit.
That was amazing.
It's not that bad, huh?
It was not that bad. I was not like it really wasn't that bad. That was awesome.
We get to the door, she's like, I can't do this, I can't do this. I put your foot out there. She puts her foot out.
Yeah, I did. I was like,
Well, I
my
was
legs
like, I
aren't gonna
can't
do
do
this.
It looks like you did it.
That was awesome. I would definitely do this again.
I don't know.
I'd like to fall longer. That was fun.
Right?
Whew, I thought there'd be a stomach drop, but there wasn't. It was great. Woo!
Ray, get out of there.
Yeah. My cameraman for this one.
He did it without a shoe. Tuck and roll. He was amazing. Talked me
Your
through
best
it.
friends.
Kept me alive.
The drop does it for
Wine
you.
smells good, but I gotta jump some more. I cheers you too.
Cheers.
Thanks for coming to Skydive Chelan.
Seriously, this was
Beautiful
amazing.
Chelan Cellars winery.
You guys all need to skydive with them. They are amazing. Check it out. Thanks for watching.
Peace out.
Spilling wine.
Wasting wine. So I probably shouldn't tell my mom that there was a plane below us.
So we gotta make it official. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Proof of her insanity.
Is it bad that you spelled my name wrong?
Oh, we'll get you another one then.
Oopsie.
This is your new name.
Yeah, I like it. I'll take it. This is the adrenaline cool me.
Little video of it.
Piece of cake, like falling off a log.
A log?
Oh, flying log.
Like what kind of logs have you seen?